Hey, I did a valve adjustment on this 2016 Yamaha R6, and upon reinstalling all the parts, I've developed some sort of whirring noise from the right side where the cam chain is at. So I followed the procedures. It said line up the timing marks, put the chain on, exhaust side taut, intake side slack, compress the camshaft, the automatic cam chain tensioner, and then rotate it a couple of times, and then you should be good. Now listen. It doesn't sound too bad when you start it up, just at idle, but you can kind of hear something not right. Hear that? So I think the cam chain is too tight, but I don't know what the hell could be wrong. I guess I'll have to take it all apart again. But I've tried reinstalling the cam chain tensioner, and that doesn't fix it.